In this video, we will understand sex determination. Sex determination is the process by which an organism's biological sex is established, typically during development. In many species, including humans, sex determination is based on genetic factors, although environmental factors can also play a role in some cases. Here's a detailed explanation of sex determination. Determination of sex of offspring is known as sex determination. Factors responsible for sex determination. Environmental and genetic factors are responsible for sex determination. Environmental. In some animals, the temperature at which the fertilized eggs are kept decides the gender, for example, turtle. Genetic. In some animals, like human, genders or individual is determined by a pair of chromosomes called sex chromosomes. XX represent female, XY represent male. Sex chromosomes are those chromosomes which play a role in determining sex of the newborn. Sex determination in human beings. Human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of the cell. Out of this, 2 chromosomes are sex chromosomes X and Y. The female has 2 X chromosomes, XX, and male has 1 X and 1 Y chromosome, XY. The sperms and eggs have 1 set of sex chromosomes. Some sperms have X chromosomes and some have Y chromosome. All eggs have X chromosome. If a sperm having X chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosome, the child will be a girl. If a sperm having Y chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosome, the child will be a boy. Sex differentiation. After sex determination, the process of sex differentiation involves the development of reproductive organs and secondary sexual characteristics. In males, testosterone and other male sex hormones promote the development of male reproductive structures, such as the penis and testes, as well as secondary sexual characteristics, such as facial hair and deep voice. In females, estrogen and other female sex hormones promote the development of female reproductive structures, such as the uterus and ovaries, as well as secondary sexual characteristics, such as breast development and menstrual cycles. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe our channel.